Hey guys, this is Pratap here, and today we'll talk about you know wireless enterprise wireless day 2. So earlier we have discussed about different kind of topologies like wireless personal area network, wireless local area network, wireless metro area network. All right. So now today we'll discuss let have a small recap from previous session like what we have done like personal area network. You can see here the details is here, like it's very small and for very smaller network. And then metro area network, which is quite larger, and it's for quite big network. I mean like home network, like small office network and all. Like after that we'll be coming to your like WMAN metro area network, sorry, and WLAN and local area network. So WLAN basically, we are using like high standard devices. Let's say somewhere in that college campus, or maybe some restaurant, so people are using, or some hotels they are using it. But basically, once we'll talk about the WMAN, and it will be kind of large campus, like railway wireless network, or sometime you'll be finding some of that in India. You will be finding some of that railway station, so you'll be finding some Google is providing some wireless network. So that's actually like WMAN and all. Now once we'll be coming to that architecture of this wireless network. So this is that mainly two kind of wireless networks are available. One is your ad hoc network, like these are the decentralized. There is let me discuss like what is ad hoc and what is infrastructure mode. Just a minute. So once will be here. uh, let's say, like first let me talk about that ad hoc. So suppose you have got your ISP here. From this ISP you are connected to uh, one switch, or it's not necessarily it's connected to switch, or directly you are connected to one of these AP access point, and many other people, like many other people are connected. So let that could be tab, that could be laptop, and many other people are connected through that. So you see it's a decentralized, nobody is managing, or there is a no prevention or no security has been measured, security measures had been taken here. So this is your ad hoc mode. And another one is you can refer this very site, like I have wrote in very small, but this much only required when you will be working on this wireless network. And this is that infrastructure mode. Once we'll be talking about the infrastructure mode, so you can think about it. Infrastructure means centrally you are managing your network, like your ISP is coming here, okay, and after that you are connecting to that some of that switch, and after that you will be having controller, WLC, wireless controller. Then you will be having prime, then you will be having ICE, then you will be having a DNS center. Okay, so like that, ICE, identity service engine. So then you are managing centrally. You can have multiple WLC, you can multiple ICE. If it is network is very big, in that case, for the high availability and all other purposes, you will be using multiple devices. But actually, that will be the real structure, like what you are going to manage in your wireless infrastructure. All right, so let's come back to that wireless AP and all. So AP basically, if you have seen that AP, let me take you that Cisco site so you can have a look on that Cisco AP. Yeah. So guys, you can see here there's a different kind of antennas are there, types of antenna you can see. And AP in access point, you have seen, I guess, like it will be it will be like this. Sometime we'll be having antenna, sometime we'll be having two antenna, sometime you're having four antenna, and then it's going and connecting your PoE switch, power over Ethernet. Power over Ethernet means, like, the API, we can give external power. Also, you can give the connected switch, and this switch will be giving power to the AP. So that's why it is a PoE. Now, latest version is that is called FPoE. So those all we'll discuss later on. Okay, APoE. So like that, you will be having various types of the devices will be integrated out here. So now, these wireless standard, right? So they are managed by two major bodies. So one is ITU, International Telecommunication Unit, and another one is IEEE 802.11. Okay, so these are the two bodies. So you can have a quick look, or probably we will discuss later. Okay, now let's come back to that real function, that as a wireless infrastructure network admin, what you have to do. Now, in wireless, you'll be having different series of, like, in different kind of people are there who will be executing entire your wireless infrastructure configuration or management, or you know mm, in entire wireless policy. So initially, let's start with that L1 people. So what they will be doing, so this also people called a field engineer. Okay, field engineer. What they are going to do? So they basically will be, take the device. They will be doing the site survey. Site survey. Okay, this is also called a heat map in wireless terms. This is also called a heat map. And after finding all those details, so they will be placing the devices. Now, before placing the device, they should check with that some of the tool are there. Let's say one of the tool called Insider. Okay, this is a paid tool you can install in your laptop or mobile, and then you can check, like, what is the frequency, what is the strength, and based on that you can place the device inside the map. Okay, this series is going to be very big, as I told you earlier. Uh, so this is the second video of this part, and you can have a look. Like, we will be having uh, plenty of information to share with you guys. Now, this is your insider tool. With the help of that, we can find it out where we are going to place that AP, how that AP will be, and all. Okay, so before that, we would like to tell you, like, how many types of antennas and all those things are there. Now, if you talk about that antenna, you can see these are the types of antennas are there. Pro line antennas, crash antennas, TV wires antennas, sector antennas, like that. Plenty type of antennas will be there. So guy who will be doing the site survey, and based on the requirement of this organization, so what they are going to do is that any other like, other kind of small, uh, let's say I want to mean, suppose they're having a two buildings are there. So are they going to make communication between two building, let's say building 1, building 2, are they going to make a communication between these two? So if it is like that, so there will be different kind of antennas are there. So like that, we have to decide, like, you have to make a HLD high level design, and LLD low level design. Okay, and then you have to proceed with that. Anyways, so during the session we are going to discuss all those. So very first session we have discussed about that wireless network types, then wireless kind of topologies. Today we have discussed, it's very small about that your wireless processes and site survey, and tools like Insider, and some other tools also there, paid tools also there. So you can go for it. And sometime you have in if you are doing with your mobile, lot many apps are there in the your Play Store or iOS. you can choose from here and you can do the site survey. Anyways, we will show you that how to do it, the site survey and all, probably very next videos. Thank you guys, and you can keep posting your questions. If you have any questions, so you can go in the sites and you can put your question out here. And okay, chill guys, and have a great learning. Thank you.